Astigmatism means that the eye is shaped more like an egg than a round ball. And so what's happening with astigmatism is that the eye muscles that hold the eye in place, there's 6 muscles that hold the eye in the socket, the eye socket, that there's an imbalance in the function of those 6 muscles. They're not working equally. There's an unequal function in some of those 6 eye muscles, which is creating a misshape in the eyeball. So we have to get past the genetics piece, okay? That we can't just blame faulty eyes on genetics.
Right.
Environment is a huge factor on how, I'm just going to speak about the eyes, what happens in the eyes. Again, now this is going into a little more of the paradigm that our eyes and vision go through a developmental learning curve. It's like we're not just born and we know how to use our eyeballs. It doesn't happen that way. The way we learn to use our eyeballs, first of all, we start learning how to use our eyeballs when we're in gestation, because this is where the fetus is floating in the amniotic fluid. And this is where the peripheral vision starts to get stimulated. And there's a connection between our peripheral vision and our inner ear mechanism called the vestibular system. And so when we're in float of our amniotic fluid, both our vestibular system and our visual system begin to develop. We get activated. We get stimulated. This is why sometimes when the doctor says to the pregnant mom, you have to be bedridden for a while to avoid miscarriages, what I find later on is that there's some learning developmental delays.